For tomorrow.
Hey guys, it's Aaron.
Say something funny. Shut up, Aaron. Say something funny. No, that's unoriginal.
What?
I said shut up, Aaron. Say something funny.
Something funny.
Good. Good.
You can't just force it out of me. It has to be.
Hello, everyone. I'm America's favorite Lewis.
No, you're not. I'm America's favorite Lewis.
You're the father of America's big bear. Here's a video. Hello everyone, I'm America's favorite Lewis, and this is my yearly vlog.
I just found a stone.
Put it back.
Looks like the Mayan calendar. I think it's a bookend of some sort.
Did you just find the end of the world? Today is... I don't know the date. What's the date? So I can put it up there.
There's also a box with Chinese stuff.
Stop looking through the trash. So, where are we going? What are we doing right now?
To the supermarket, which oddly, it has nothing to do with Superman. Or Batman.
Is that a joke?
Even though I think it is possible that Batman, well, Bruce Wayne,
What are you
owns
talking
a
about?
chain of supermarket, which would explain the whole superhero thing.
So are you saying that there are supermarkets and then there are regular markets? Did you just joke?
Man.
Did you just joke? Did you just funny?
I don't know, did I?
Dad, how do you
I don't
funny?
I don't hear you laughing.
I'm laughing in my soul because that made me feel good. So we'll continue this enthralling conversation in the supermarket. See, when I walk into the supermarket, I expect just everything to not be there. Because that's how Mom said it. She said, quote, "There's nothing in the supermarkets anymore," unquote. Alright, everyone, this is right after Hurricane Sandy Cheeks from SpongeBob. Okay, right after Hurricane Sandy. And I want to talk about something without getting interrupted about peaches or milk or whatever.
Whoa, Sandy.
Stop it.
UK.
We're gonna get sued. Stop. Okay, we're at the supermarket after Hurricane Sandy, and
You keep saying we are
Because
the
you keep-
supermarket. Everybody knows we are the supermarket, and it's after Hurricane Sandy. What are we looking for?
Okay, we're at the supermarket, and
This
we
is
have
the produce aisle.
guava. Okay, we're at the supermarket after Hurricane Sandy, and we're at the supermarket after Hurricane Sandy after the supermarket.
Supermarket Sandy after Hurricane Seabound.
Okay,
And there's supposed to be no food, but there's food all over the place.
okay, we got all the junk that we needed to get, even though I couldn't record any of it because my dad was tired about peaches.
What are you supposed to do with this? Look at this.
You're supposed to shove it up the turkey's butt and squeeze it.
Hardly, because it's pointing at it. Look. Yeah, turkey. You like it, don't you?
Come on, there's someone behind
you
us.
like it, turkey. Did I tell you I saw a UFO in New Mexico?
Yeah, you told me.
It looked like an acorn, like a bead. It almost looked like a floating water tank.
Did it look like yams?
Now,
Oh,
your face looked like a yam.
that's not true.
God, I haven't even found another page yet because I'm running from this. Oh my! What the?
hope you guys enjoyed that gameplay. It was vagina. How about we just leave it at that? Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. We totally did all that mischief in the supermarket. Have a good day. Hit that like button if you liked it. Here's a couple links for the past few videos, and here's the best video ever. Catch you guys on the next video. Hey, Dad. Dad. Can I put an egg in the refrigerator? In the freezer? Can I put an egg in the freezer?
Yeah, but you shouldn't.
I'm gonna do it. Get this out of here. Okay, good, good. Okay, just back there. Just stay there, okay? Okay, good, good. Put the zucchinis back here. Okay. What? What? I wasn't doing anything.